as the Institute for Maritime Technology, IMT, we develop quite a number of technologies. So one of them that we have developed is this ultrasonic broken rail system. Then with that development and this mature technology, therefore it brought us to the SARA conference. And I can also in addition mention that as IMT we have applied to become the member of the SARA conference because of the system we have and in terms of enriching the African rail contingents out there. That is the main reason why we are here. If we're looking into the theme as transporting Africa forward, one has to keep in mind the growing demand for your safe as well as your efficient transportation of commodities. That should be your passengers or your freight. Now, as Armscor, we are actually pleased that we are bringing a real-time detecting and monitoring system for the broken rail. Now, this system that we are bringing, which is actually our ultrasonic broken rail system, it has been developed and manufactured for the African railway industry. This system that we have developed, we kept in mind the growing threats for your broken rail and its impact specifically in terms of the delay as well as the derailment that then directly affects the operation and also affects the safety as well as the throughput of the operators within Africa and also respectively the economies around that. And then now with the system that we have developed, basically it actually can be integrated into the operator's safety mandate. And then with that in mind, therefore it brings the operators comfort and the fact that they know that the system is there to protect their rail, which is an asset to them. Then it brings comfort into them in terms of their operating and continuing knowing that the UPRT is protecting their rail. We know the growing demand in terms of growth as well as your network rejuvenation. Now, the system that we have brought, basically, it brings in maturity as well as reliability in ensuring that we integrate into your growing network. So basically, that's the main strategy that we're bringing into this with our development. And as well as the way we have developed into its maturity, it can actually migrate or integrate into the growing network demand into a railway network. We are bringing a matured rail detecting philosophy. So with this in mind, so this philosophy we are bringing, it has been enhanced and integrated into the current digital system that we're bringing. We understand the requirement for actually the requirement for operators to make informed decisions in terms of the safety of the rail that they are operating in. Now, our system, it actually gives them a real-time monitoring, and then it gives them comfort when they are operating into a system. So that's what we are bringing into this conference. In our view, basically, the adoption of, common strategy, whereby as railway industry, we bring in together all the stakeholders or the role players into ensuring that, your operability, they're actually inclusive in terms of basically looking at Africa. So just the adoption of a common strategy that will ensure that everybody participates into the common growth within your railway network.